Shooting from the only supported position right there. HHA optimizer, 20-inch carbon luminant bolts, 125 grain field tip for 395 grain total. There's the candle. Got the other cameras recording a close-up. We'll go ahead and bag it up. 80 yards, blowing out a candle. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in down here. That first shot I hit to the right on it. That second shot I hit above it, but I couldn't really tell if the candle was still going or not. And then it looked like with those Luminox looking through the scope, it kind of looked like the end of my fletching was on fire. Like the fletching was burning or something, I'm not sure. So I went ahead and took a third shot, but the candle is not lit now. Okay, so I'm not quite sure. I just know it was too bright to see with the Luminox and the candle lit there. I couldn't tell, but the close-up cameras will pick it up. But at 80 yards, that's 200 times zoom. I can see where the zip tie was and where the candle was at. And it looks like those two Luminox are right there at the top. That's actually two right there, and then one to the right. So let's go ahead and go up here and check it out. Okay, the first shot hit here to the right. That last time I shot right through the garden stick. Just blow it, knock the candle out. This time, the first shot was here. The second shot was here. Okay, and it allowed the candle to catch my fletching on fire, the veins there. And I thought I seen, it looked like it was burning bigger, but I really couldn't tell through the scope because of the luminox was right there in line with the candle. Okay, so I shot again. The third shot went right there below it, and we're gonna go ahead and put this out. It's a done deal, thanks to good wet sand. And well, the person that requested it, the subscriber, I told you when the weather was right, weather permitting, I'd do the shot. And tonight it was calm, no wind, and it was overcast, so it was a perfect opportunity to take the shots. So there you go. $80 yards, Excalibur Matrix 405. Mill Pond out.